And if you're looking for a quick and easy way to boost your energy and confidence, there's a simple technique that can work wonders. Pushing your nose up for just 1 minute. This little known action may seem odd, but the impact it can have on your body and mind is remarkable. In just 60 seconds, you can shift your posture, release tension, and feel more grounded. Ready to discover how this small but powerful practice can help you unlock a new level of confidence and clarity? Let's get right to it. You might wonder how a simple gesture like pushing your nose up can have such a profound effect. This practice targets your facial muscles, releasing tension and improving circulation. By engaging the muscles around your nose, you stimulate a subtle shift in your posture and energy. This seemingly minor action has the ability to change how you hold yourself physically and mentally. As you lift your nose, you are unconsciously straightening your back, elongating your spine, and adjusting your overall posture. This creates a ripple effect, leading to better body alignment and a feeling of increased confidence. Additionally, this practice helps improve the flow of oxygen in your body. As you hold the position, you're opening up your nasal passages and promoting deeper breathing. The more oxygen you take in, the more alert and focused you become. It's like giving your brain a mini power boost, increasing clarity and awareness. You'll notice that after a minute you feel more present and awake, as if you've just reset your energy levels. Sometimes the smallest actions have the biggest impact. By performing a simple gesture like pushing your nose up, you are sending a message to your brain: I am confident and in control. This is a physical manifestation of mental empowerment. It may seem trivial, but it has a direct effect on how you carry yourself throughout the day. Confidence is often portrayed as something external, like how we dress or speak. However, true confidence comes from how we present ourselves from the inside out. The act of changing our posture can create an instant shift in our mindset, making us feel more self-assured. By practicing this nose push daily, you can tap into this inner strength. Your body will begin to recognize the action as a cue to embrace confidence. Over time, you'll notice that you naturally start to stand taller and carry yourself with greater presence. People will begin to notice the change in your energy. Not only will you feel more powerful, but you will also radiate that energy, attracting positive attention from those around you. Sometimes we just need a quick reset to get back into a positive mindset. Life moves fast, and it's easy to get caught up in the hustle. That's where taking 1 minute to engage in a quick practice like the nose push comes in. It acts as a mental reset button, offering a brief moment of clarity. As you push your nose up, you start focusing on the physical sensations, leaving behind any distractions or negative thoughts. This action serves as a reminder to realign with your true self. While the physical aspect of the exercise helps with posture and circulation, the mental benefits are just as powerful. A minute is all it takes to quiet your mind and refocus. It's a chance to get back in touch with your body and your thoughts, allowing you to shed stress and regain your mental clarity. This small practice can help you move from a state of overwhelm to one of calmness and focus, making it the perfect tool to start your day or reset after a stressful moment. There's a scientific reason why this simple action works so well. Our bodies are intricately connected, and small movements can trigger powerful responses. When you push your nose up, you are engaging muscles that are linked to your overall body posture. These muscles help open your airways and improve blood flow, which in turn enhances your circulation. This boosts your energy levels and supports better overall health. In addition, when you perform this action, you're affecting the alignment of your spine. This can release tension in your neck and shoulders, promoting relaxation. The act of lifting your nose subtly encourages you to stand taller and sit up straighter, which can help with physical discomfort caused by poor posture. And the benefits aren't just physical either. Your mind also experiences a shift. By taking a few seconds to align your body and mind, you're creating a foundation of wellness that supports everything you do. Making this simple nose push a daily habit is easier than you think. It only takes a minute, so there's no excuse not to fit it into your routine. The key is to incorporate it into moments when you feel you need a quick reset or confidence boost. You can start your morning with a nose push to set a positive tone for the day. You can also use it throughout the day, especially during moments of stress or when you feel your energy dipping. Over time, your body will start associating the nose push with a feeling of empowerment and confidence. The more you practice it, the more natural it will become. Soon you won't even have to think about it. You'll automatically go to the nose push when you need a boost. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help you stay grounded, confident, and energized throughout your day. It's easy to feel sluggish or drained when we're busy, but with just 1 minute of nose pushing, you can re-energize yourself. The physical action of pushing your nose up engages muscles and activates your circulation, giving you an instant boost of energy. It's an excellent alternative to coffee or energy drinks, offering a natural and sustainable way to stay alert without any crashes. As you do this practice, you'll begin to feel a surge of vitality. The oxygen flow improves, helping to wake up your brain and boost cognitive function. You might notice that your focus sharpens and your fatigue lifts, leaving you with a sense of clarity and energy. This small action provides an immediate solution when you're feeling mentally or physically drained, helping you continue to power through the day with renewed vigor. While the nose push is incredibly effective on its own, you can enhance the benefits by pairing it with other positive practices. Combine it with deep breathing exercises for an added sense of calm and focus. And when you focus on your breath as you push your nose up, you're simultaneously releasing tension and aligning your body. This combination of physical and mental relaxation is a great way to reset after a busy day or before an important meeting. You can also pair this practice with affirmations or visualization techniques. As you push your nose up, repeat a mantra that resonates with you, such as "I am confident" or "I radiate positive energy." This helps to reinforce the connection between the physical action and your mental state, making it a more powerful tool for manifesting the positive outcomes you desire. Whether you're using it to reduce stress or boost your confidence, pairing the nose push with other practices can create even greater results. One of the best things about the nose push is how simple it is. You don't need any special equipment or a long time to see results. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go, this practice can be done anywhere. It's discreet, so you don't have to worry about other people noticing. This makes it the perfect quick fix when you need to regain composure, improve your mood, or enhance your energy. Despite its simplicity, the benefits are profound. This small adjustment in your posture can shift your entire state of being. The nose push connects you to your inner strength, giving you the confidence and clarity you need to face any situation. Over time, as you incorporate this practice, you will notice a remarkable shift in how you feel and how others perceive you. Consistency is key when it comes to any new habit. The more you practice the nose push, the more natural and impactful it becomes. By consistently using this simple technique, you'll start to experience its effects more deeply. Not only will it help you feel more confident, but it will also influence how you approach challenges and opportunities. Your physical and mental alignment will improve, creating a ripple effect that enhances all areas of your life. Just like any positive habit, the nose push requires practice to fully realize its benefits. Once it becomes a part of your routine, you'll find that it's a powerful tool that you can rely on for moments of strength and clarity. With daily practice, you'll gradually experience a shift in your energy, posture, and mindset. The simple act of pushing your nose up for 1 minute a day can be an incredibly powerful tool for enhancing your confidence, energy, and overall well-being. It may seem small, but this practice can create significant shifts in your posture, mental state, and how you carry yourself throughout the day. By incorporating the nose push into your routine, you'll begin to experience the benefits almost immediately. Try it for a few days and see how it feels. Notice how your posture improves, how your energy surges, and how your mindset shifts. Small actions like this can lead to big changes over time. So start today and unlock a new level of confidence and clarity. If you found this practice helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tips on improving your life.